Guys, I made this bed for my cat. Let's see if she's going to like it. Let me put it. Minnie, Minnie, Minnie is sleepy right now. Let's see if she. It's still hot. I don't know if she likes it or not. Or maybe she went to it because it's hot. Mm-hmm. Thank God. I thought she was not going to like it. It's hot. Let's say maybe she's trying to wait for it to, you know. Let me try to cut it into bits. It's actually hot. Let me put it in a plate like that. I mean, she wants it to cool down. But the fact that she's still here, she wants it to cool down. Mm-hmm. It's still hot. Let's wait for her. I'm waiting for your decision, Amini. If she doesn't like it. Oh my goodness. Mini, what is this? Are you not going to eat it? Is my bread not good enough? Oh my goodness. I'm about to cry right now. Mini, pity me now. Take a bite. Sister Mini. Yeah, try it. Hmm. It seems I have to up my baking skills. If you don't eat it, I'm not going to bake again. Guys, I will let you know if she finally eats it or not.